In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate and utilize the Canva platform effectively, guiding you through some key features that can enhance your creative projects. Whether you're a seasoned designer or just starting out, Canva provides an intuitive and versatile environment to bring your ideas to life. So let's dive straight into this guide. First, let's begin at your Canva home. This is your hub for creativity, where you can access all your projects, templates, and tools. Starting here provides a good grounding, especially if you need to revisit or revise earlier projects. Upon entering the main dashboard, you'll notice it's designed for ease, offering quick access to recent projects and templates for virtually every need you could think of, from presentations to social media graphics and much more. Now, once you're comfortably situated in your home dashboard, the next step involves exploring the features that Canva offers. Look towards the top of the page where you'll find a menu labeled Tools. Clicking on Tools will reveal a drop-down menu with a series of options. For this guide, we're going to focus on the Draw tool, an exciting feature that invites creativity and customization into your projects. By selecting Draw, you open up a new avenue for integrating freehand design elements into your work, a fantastic way to add a personal touch or an artistic flair that might be challenging to achieve with preset templates alone. As you click on Draw, a new panel appears with multiple drawing options, including different brushes and colors. You have the choice of varying brush sizes and types, which provides flexibility in how detailed or broad your lines can be. It's a great feature for sketching out ideas, annotating images, or adding unique visuals directly into your design. Feel free to experiment with these tools to find a style that suits your project. Remember, the undo button is your friend if you make a mistake or change your mind about a particular design choice. Once you're satisfied with your drawing or annotation, you've successfully completed the task. Your finished design will be saved automatically, ensuring you never lose your progress. From here, you're free to further edit, download, or share your creation as needed. And with that, you're done. Canva's tools, particularly the Draw feature, can significantly enhance your creative process, allowing for a blend of structure and freedom. By exploring these options, you're opening up a world of potential for your projects. Thank you for joining me in this quick tour of Canva's drawing capabilities. I hope you feel empowered to continue creating and experimenting within this rich digital landscape. Stay creative and happy designing.